Hi, I'm Rachana. I'm a chef, food therapist, and nutrition educator, and you're watching The Good Tiffin. The Good Tiffin packs in fortified recipes that are easy, healthy, and delicious. By fortified, I mean we add that extra dose of goodness and take these recipes few notches up health wise without compromising on the taste. We add nutrient rich ingredients to these recipes. These ingredients are easily found in your kitchen. At the end of each recipe, you will find the Good Tiffin Nutrimeter that gives you important nutritional information and helps you make an informed choice. Today we are making an evening snack, purple yam or Kand, or it is also known as Kand Kebabs. They are melt in the mouth, delicious, low carb, rich in proteins and antioxidants. You can serve them as appetizers too. What is great is you can make these melt in the mouth kebabs with just 2 teaspoons oil. We are fortifying the kebabs with methi leaves and paneer. I know what you're thinking, पर मेथी leaves से बिल्कुल कड़वाहट नहीं आती. They just add loads of nutrients to these kebabs. Methi leaves are rich in antioxidants, biotin and sulfur, making them very beneficial for your eye, skin and hair health. They are good for your heart as they are rich in omega-3, calcium and magnesium. Paneer of course makes the kebab super soft and rich in proteins and calcium. In addition, oleic acid and biotin present in paneer makes it great for skin and hair. It is also rich in selenium, so great for those with hypothyroid. So come, let's make some yummy kebabs. delicious soft kebabs ready है. So let's dig into it. I'm going to eat it with coriander mint chutney. Wow, just wow. So कल चाय पे friends, gossips और Kand Kebabs. Like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon and never miss a single easy, healthy and delicious recipe from the Good Tiffin.